Pagod ka na ba everyday? Or madaling kapitan ng ubot sipon? As a busy mom, kailangan natin alagaan hindi lang si baby, pati sarili natin. That's why I take Immuniplus herbal drink every day. It's packed with all natural vitamins and minerals to help boost my immune system and overall well-being. It helps relieve cough and colds, reduce inflammation, and even helps with allergic rhinitis and hilo. Super helpful din siya when I feel body pain or pag sobrang pagod after a long day. Ang sarap niya. You can instantly taste the ginger and turmeric kick. Tapos may minty feel sa lalamunan that gives refreshing relief. And if you want something more relaxing, try Immuniplus Cocoa, made with cocoa beans from Mindanao. It helps reduce stress, supports heart health, and boosts your mood. So, it's like caring for your body and mind, physically and internal well-being in one. You can take it 1 to 3 times a day. Ikaw, ready ka na bang alagaan ang sarili mo? Try Immuniplus today.